Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a couple years since I posted a video, but I might as well do it. So, today I got a Ring Fit Adventures. I've been waiting for so long to finally get it. It took me weeks to find it. Everywhere costed more than $100. It was sold out everywhere, including GameStop and stores. And I finally got it, so let's get to the unboxing. So, it comes in this box. As you can see, so let's open it, shall we? Ooh. So, inside the box, we have the game inside, which is cool. I guess it comes in this. It's sealed. So open it on. Oh. So it comes in this ring thing, which you can put your Joy-Con on, and it's only compatible with the Nintendo Switch, not the Switch Lite. So, it also comes with this that goes on your leg, and the Ring Fit Adventure can be with Switch. So, sorry about that, but so in order to play the Ring Fit Adventure, you must have two Joy-Cons to play. Which the Switch Lite doesn't have a Joy-Con because it's together as one console, which I don't have, but I have the original Switch, which makes life easier instead of spending $70 on a Joy-Con. It comes in two. So that's what I have. I'm really excited to play this. So this is the end of the video. So hit that like button and subscribe to my channel if you're new here. And I look forward to more unboxing videos of the Nintendo Switch. Alright, bye!